الفطيم is one of the leading groups in the region. It has been in business for over 80 years, delivering quality services and products to the region. It operates in over 30 countries. Al-Fطيم Health is also one of the leading healthcare organizations in the UAE. And it started with being a very technology savvy, very community oriented organization. This has filtered very, very well with the COVID-19 pandemic. As soon as the pandemic started, we were one of the first groups to actually create a response to COVID-19. We started our drive-through stations all over Dubai, and we were the first drive-through stations in the private sector in Dubai to go live. And we basically converted a number of facilities into COVID-19 field hospitals. These facilities cater to patients from all over the UAE, providing them with the right level of care. So Al-Fطيم has actually created a response that helps the community across the whole UAE in dealing with COVID-19 across its different facilities and activities. We've given a lot of attention to testing. As we know, the most important thing in flattening the curve is testing, contact tracing, and isolation. So we've been very active in doing this from day one, from the beginning of this pandemic. We look to the post-COVID-19 phase, and we are very hopeful that we will emerge out of it stronger. But for the time being, we focus on protecting all of you, ensuring that people are safe to go to work, safe to actually get the right level of healthcare support. We are very hopeful, inshallah ta'ala, and with your dedication, with you sticking to the regulations and making sure that you follow all of the sort of instructions, together we become much stronger. So we stay at work for you, you stay at home for us. I would really like to thank all of the team members, everyone on the front line, putting their lives out there to support everyone, to provide care to everyone. You are our heroes. We thank you very much.
Hello everyone. As this pandemic started to hit us here in the United Arab Emirates, we at Al-Fطيم Health had decided to step in and help with flattening the curve. And although we're considered to be a new healthcare organization in the region with a chain of outpatient clinics and day surgery center, however, we've managed to take over one of Al-Fطيم facilities and converted it into a makeshift COVID-19 hospital. We have a setup which is similar to a full-fledged hospital here, and we are able to manage COVID-19 cases from the very mild to the more severe ones. We have implemented best practices and protocols in the management of COVID-19. So far, we were able to manage around 800 COVID-19 patients. 300 of them were discharged and were fully recovered from the infection, and they are back to their families and community. On the other hand, we also established one of the first drive-through testing centers in the United Arab Emirates, and right now we have around 4 drive-through testing centers across different parts of Dubai. And we managed to test more than 15,000 people in Dubai.
I'm the Chief Nursing Officer here at Al-Fطيم. I would like to talk about our field hospital and isolation facility which we have. Here we take care of the patient holistically. We have very strict protocols in place. The facility is zoned into certain areas. Our nurses, our specialist nurses, all trained in the highest level of infection protection and control. As I mentioned, it's a holistic caring that we have here. As well as the physical well-being, we ensure the mental well-being of our patients. So we have regular wellness checks where we call, keep up to date with our patients. We make sure that they're fully orientated to the processes and procedures that we have here. It's a very safe and welcoming environment, and we have very excellent clinical outcomes, and we're very pleased with the recovery rates that we've seen from all of our patients.
I'm a registered nurse, and I've been working in this COVID-19 facility, a project of Al-Fطيم Healthcare, for more than a month now. We came in this facility voluntarily, knowing that the people around us are in need of our service. It has been mixed emotions, actually. It has been both difficult and fun as well, knowing that we are helping people and we are sending them home COVID-free. I'm very proud of our team here who helped flatten the curve.